Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is March the 26th, 2022. We're going to talk about Terra today and possibly give you something shocking information according to the price chart that you all want to know about. Welcome to HueFin. I'm going to talk about that today. This is also known as HueFin News. I do the price predictions by looking at the price chart without the confusion. So if you guys want to join the community, go ahead, hit the like button, share the video, and also subscribe here to the channel. I want to make sure that you all understand that it doesn't take a whole lot of research to try to figure out where price is going to go. The price chart literally is the battleground between the buyers and the sellers. So all we have to do as onlookers is to just see which one is winning. Are the buyers winning or is the sellers winning? So I'm going to show you that today to see where price is likely to go so that we can be prepared for the move. Take a look. I did a video in Terra right there on March the 2nd. I was telling you all that I was being bullish into the market in Terra, and I wasn't massively bullish. I was just looking for the price to go there towards $100, $102 or so. And that is precisely where the market went in Terra. Check this out. Right here on these 3 days, on March the 9th, 10th, and the 11th, the price in Terra got rejected right there. I mean, in fact, look, I had an arrow pointed here that the market in Terra may try to reach all-time highs. And that literally occurred right here on March the 9th. So that's very good to see. Yeah, I actually predicted that the market in Terra was going to make all-time highs, and it did. So that's around 9% price movement. I wasn't really expecting to get a lot out of that play, but hey, we'll take the 9%. Now that's done. That is over. Let's try to get on to see whether or not Terra is still going to go up in price. Because what if it's not going to continue to go up in price? Like, would you want to know that? Would you want someone to come in and give you that information so that you at least know about it? Whether or not you actually act on it, that's on you. So let's check this out. We got double rejection going on into the market in Terra right here around 100. The market in Terra got rejected at $100 twice. The more we see price get rejected around that $100 price level, the greater that area is going to be seen as a sell area, meaning that the sellers are going to dominate that price. And buyers will definitely have to overcome all of the selling that occurs at that particular price level in order for the price to continue to go up. Yes, it's just that simple. You had to consider this as stakes in the ground. Buyers are trying to make stakes in the ground to continue to let price go up, and sellers are trying to make their stakes in the ground to make price continue to go down. And right now, the sellers are staking their claim right there around $100. So we need to make sure we keep that in mind as we continue to try to look forward to Terra going up. Now check this out. So this is Terra right here on a 3-day time frame. And I'm gonna keep it real, I'm gonna keep it a buck. I'm not exactly extremely bullish in this cryptocurrency right now. I just don't see a lot of bullishness coming through. Like I told you, the sellers are staking their claim around $100 and they're still there. Basically, what happened on this last completed 3-day price bar still lets me know that there's still some selling mixed in with the buying right now in Terra. So should you go all in, expect the price in Terra to break out? Not yet. We don't see that currently on these multiple time frames. Check this out on the 2-day time frame, right? So we might have a couple more days to where the market in Terra may continue to go down in price. So we need to try to prepare for this. And I can see 2 areas already that the buyers can stake their claim to not let price fall below. And it's going to be right here around 88. And then the second area is going to be around 84. Both those levels, the buyers need to stake their claim, meaning that they're not going to let the sellers break price below those levels, 88 and $44. But let's go ahead and take a look at the market in Terra on the 2 weeks time frame. We got 1 day and 9 hours. So if you guys can tell that something different is going on, look at that. The volume is not really showing up in Terra on this current 2-weekly price bar. It's a lot less than what it was the last 3 2-weekly price bars. So obviously it looked as if the buyers are not really showing up right now. Yeah, the sellers are definitely showing up because we got rejection twice around $100. The market currently on this 2-weekly price bar is closing off of the highs. Yeah, the buyers aren't here yet. That is the information that nobody's going to come through and try to tell you, is that the buyers are not showing up. So you still need to be a little bit more careful regarding where Terra is going to go. Look at this on the 3 weeks. Again, price is closing off of the highs, meaning that the buyers are losing control around this price level. Let's look at this on the monthly time frame since we're almost through with the month of March. I wanted to show you all the monthly time frame in Terra Luna first, and here it is. This month right here, February, massively bullish. For us to go through January coming down, bouncing off of this long-term trend, and then the market the next month in February see the exact same spread but closing at the high of the bar, that is massively bullish from a monthly perspective. And then you get this month here in March. It's mixed. So the answer has not yet been seen on the price chart as to who's actually winning out for the month of February. But given this from a monthly perspective, Terra Luna is still strong. It is still massively bullish than it is weak. The only thing that the buyers are trying to overtake right now is this $100 price level in Terra Luna. But we have seen a massive run up in Terra Luna. That tells you that the buyers are dominating this overall market. Even when the price in Terra Luna from this monthly price bar in January, the sellers thought they won. But then next month, the buyers came through and said, psych, I got this. I want the price to go up. And they actually won out in February. And now here you are in March. They're still out there working. Okay. So what do you all think? I mean, where do you think the price in Terra Luna is headed? You have to get prepared for these price movements. Is this just an opportunity for us to chill out and wait until the market gives us a little bit more clarity as to whether or not the buyers are going to run the yard, or are the sellers? Or can you actually kind of get a picture as to who's winning? Is it the buyers or the sellers? Who's pushing the market? So what do you think? Let's look at this on hourly time frame first, because if I don't see anything here, guess what? I won't put on a price prediction. If the market looks too undecisive, I don't come in and anticipate where price is going to go because it's too foggy. There are times to where the market is foggy and you just need to chill out. Don't deploy none of your resources in the market until you have better clarity as to where we're going to go. This market right now in Terra Luna is not really giving us a lot of clarity. I do see a mixed bag, especially here. This is what we want to see from an hourly perspective. This is the 7-hour chart. And we can tell that the buyers are here making higher lows. We need to let that continue in order for this coin to really show us that the buyers are running the yard, that they're buying up this particular cryptocurrency on whoever is selling. We need to see that continue. But the question is, do you think it is? Right? Do you really think the market in Terra Luna is going to continue to trend alongside this line? It's a pretty good trend too, might I add. I like that. So check this out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and, I mean, I would play the strength into the market in Terra Luna, but what I'm seeing is from where price is right now, we still got a lot of areas of restriction that the sellers are trying to control, namely around $92.50, $95, and $97.50. Like, that's only 7.5%. And even for us to come back up to 100, that's 10% run up. That's decent. We could run that, but again, still questionable. So now I think I'm gonna leave this up to you all. I want you all to drop me a comment real quick and tell me, where do you suspect the price in Terra Luna to go as we approach the month of April? Like, do you think this is going to be a very volatile month for Terra Luna? Do you think the price is going to continue to dip lower? Do you think price is going to go down? Do you think price is going to go up? Like, what is your expectations? Because it's too foggy for me to come up with a price prediction. Okay. So real quick, let me know. Drop me a comment in the comment section. I'm gonna leave this price prediction up to you all. I want you all to tell everybody, where do you suspect the market in Terra Luna is going to go as we go into the new month of April? All right, cool. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.